A hacktivist is a hacker who uses their skills to promote political, social, or ideological agendas. Combining hacker and activist, hacktivists conduct cyberattacks to bring attention to their causes, disrupt operations of organizations they oppose, or spread their messages. Their activities can range from website defacements and data breaches to distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks. Characteristics of hacktivists include motivation, driven by political, social, or ideological beliefs rather than personal gain. Methods: use hacking techniques to make statements, disrupt services, or leak information. Targets: often focus on government agencies, corporations, or organizations they view as unjust. Impact: can cause significant disruptions, attract media attention, and influence public opinion. Hacktivism blurs the lines between legal protest and illegal hacking, raising complex ethical